Hi my friends, today I'm on the on the Mohamed Belkacemi Street in the area of the Martyrs Memorial. So Cuba is on the right and the Anassers. Ruisseau is, or Les Fusillés is straight ahead, and Clos-Salembier is on this side here. Behind those trees lies the cemetery Clos-Salembier, or the Madania cemetery. So it was formerly known as Clos-Salembier, and now Bir Mourad Rais is over there. There is a road that leads to Clos-Salembier or Madania on that side, and now there is a garden here, a beautiful garden. It's the Henry Maillot Garden over there. Okay, حديقة الشهيد François Henri Maillot. Or okay, so it's also written in Tamazirt. So Tamazirt. Okay, so Tamazirt, Maqam, François Henri Maillot. All right, so this garden here is located on the border between Les Anassers and Madania, Clos-Salembier. As you can see, it's a beautiful garden. It has been recently opened. I think it was opened in 2017. Just look at the benches. They are all intact. They are all, you know, they are still there. They haven't, I mean, they haven't been vandalized. And that's something very, very good, because this garden, I think, has a, it has a security guard. And now let's take a walk in the garden, a walk in the park. Okay, I just love these plants here. And by the way, I grew up in a place, I'm not sure what these plants are called. If you know the name of this plant, that plant with the white flowers here, please write it in the comment section. I grew up in a house in the city center where we used to have a garden or a backyard where these plants grow in big numbers. So just as you can see here, see, so this spot here reminds me of the backyard of our former house. We unfortunately sold it in 1990, in the early 90s. I think it was in 1992. Then we moved to another neighborhood of Algiers. And yes, you can see the benches here, and this is one of the places that I like to visit with my family. And I also like coming here to read books. It's one of my secret spots. You can see there is a bench over there in the middle of all this dense and tropical vegetation. Okay, another bench here. And there are also those dust bins in order to keep the area clean. So some people would come here early in the morning in order to exercise. It's such a nice place. It also has shade, so you can sit here at any moment of the day. There is a playground over there on the left over there, although some of those facilities were vandalized, but the slides look intact. The swings are gone, but the slides look intact, and you know, it's a safe place for kids to play. It's such a beautiful place. You can see, you can film the road from here. Okay, because it's by the road, it's a little bit noisy, but it doesn't matter much. This remains one of the nicest parks that I know here in Algiers. I will film you other parks, but you will also realize that this is one of the nicest, especially in this area. in this area of the city, because usually this type of park are to be found in the city center. Okay, so the ball. Let's return them the ball. Okay. I can only use one hand. All right. So kids are playing soccer here, and it's such a beautiful place. Oh, yeah. I have unlocked the focus of the camera in order not to film this place. I mean, it's sunny here, and it might look too white. So that's it. It's a beautiful place, and I see people here morning, afternoon, and even in the evening. You've got those stairs over there to go to an upper part of this park. And, it's such a beautiful place to come and relax at any time of the day, except for the evening, of course, because you know, practically no place is safe after dark, unless you are with a big group of people. So that's it. I would sometimes come here with my family, my kids. Look at this beautiful tree with its shade. And the place is okay, a little bit I mean, people should avoid littering, because no one likes to see all those pieces of cardboard and plastic bags around. The place is so beautiful, and people need to look after it, make sure that it stays clean. Okay, so garbage man would of course come by in order to collect the garbage. Street sweepers would come by in order to sweep the alleys, but you know, it's primarily up to the people, to the visitors of this place, to keep it clean. If they truly love it and they want to keep it, you know, for take care of it for their kids to come and sit here, and for their wives and mothers and everyone they care about, then, you know, they need to avoid littering. They need to dispose of their garbage in those dustbins over there. Okay, so that was the Mohamed Belkacemi, the park on Mohamed Belkacemi Street, the Ravin. So this street here is also known as the Ravin, the Ravin, and it's the Henri Maillot Street. And by the way, Henri Maillot is one of the martyrs of the Algerian Revolution. He was a European who took part in the liberation of Algeria. He fought colonial France for the sake of Algeria's independence. This is why he is celebrated, and this is why they are paying him homage by naming this park after him. And that's it. So take care of yourselves, drive safely, visit Algiers, visit places like these, nice places, take your time and relax, watch all these plants and trees and greenery. And if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button in order to receive notifications on videos like these. Okay, and goodbye.